Look for me when send me I go church today. This is my self-care weekend, you know. So I started from yesterday, soaked my feet, did buy one coconut foot scrub, and the hair for wash. I'm gonna eat some fruits. This has been in the fridge for a while, but it's still good. So what's up? I usually use it to make juice, but I'm just going to see what I can get from this and eat it. I'm not littering, I'm throwing the I'm throwing the waste in the plants. Okay, you know, it's like compost. But can I get anything out of this? I like that's what things, you know. Did it all long much to eat it. Oh, part of it spoil, man. Can find something out of it. Why? Mosquito about me. Really, put on something and make it waste. So I feel bad and I try to get something out of it. People are just dash it and done, but if I get much, now come to wash off this. Let's see if I'm going to eat this off, but it's refreshing, but it's not sweet. You know what? I'm not going to tell you about it. It's sweet, man. It's sweet. There's something fresh like rose water. So I'm not going to church around this. Go look for my granduncle. What am I do what I do? So that first Sunday in a month, I should bless up. Go to church, go bless up myself. Not true. I'm going to try to find a piece of sweet part. But it's refreshing still. Not sweet at all. Usually when I just slice it up so I eat a slice, but in the plan to eat it off, but when I bother eat it off, put it back in the fridge. Blessings on me. Come here, I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm gonna top my go wash hair. I'm gonna finish pull out my hair. Feel a little bit lazy, but the hair needs to be washed. So I have to do what I have to do. Today I'm gonna use my Garden Gold Cosmetics shampoo and conditioner. Then I finish. And if we get back, so I'm gonna wash my hair outside because the water pressure is not high enough to wash my hair under the shower. Struggles, but that's where I go. Part of life. I'd rather do that than in a cold right now. Like, look on the weather, I'm not sure now. Or outside, nice, sunny and nice, and just beautiful. I can hear the birds chirping and look here, church I go on. We can still go church now, because church now don't till 3, 4 o'clock. Gone are the days when me there church more than Jesus. I'm there church early too, you know what is? And my shoes are dry. Look how the place is nice and sunny. Eh? Look how the place beautiful. Me nah go foreign and not cool. That's why all the people are come right now in the winter, you know. You hear about them? Well, because my ears so enough and thick, it kind of hard to manage. So me just, it's soft still, you know. It, in a course, can I try to moisturize it as much as possible. And my arm them need to sort out. So please don't look. Self-care day today, okay? So I just put it in a tool, wash one side first, and just tiny bump it same time, and then wash the other side. Apparently the hair oil I use have castor oil in it, so it make it a little bit thicker. See there? So thick. Like half of my hair as somebody's whole head of hair. Well, it's genetical still, because my mother hair did enough. Took us like half an hour for clean my mother hair, not 4 or 5. Because we have to pass them out, comb down, and then her hair did long. She can tie her hair on her chin. So let's go wash this side and shiny bump it, and then go wash the other side. I just said that for part of life. Gotta work with it. No, come. So I wash my hair under this pipe. So let us see how I do it now. Put everything right here, so. Really well. Last night now, I'm going in with my Garden Gold Cosmetics shampoo, locally made. You can check out their Instagram page for information. See, it's subbed very well, just a small amount. It's subbed up already. Just scrub my scalp. I usually do 2 washes, but because my shampoo are done, I use another shampoo. So that alone now I'm going to do some. Just going to use some of this. Buy back my Garden Gold Cosmetics. Ooh. So it's so easy to manage. Let me just do one side at a time. So I'm going to say I thoroughly wash this side before moving on. Ooh, what a coolie. A little bit chilly. I used to feel wash my hair with warm water. It's better to wash your hair with warm water to get rid of the grease and so, but I have to work it way off. Right, we're going to do it one more time. Shampoo one more time. Conditioner time now. This is when I do the real detangling. Make the conditioner stay in for a little while. No, we love using enough conditioner already. Yeah, because it's not sudden enough, so you know you want to make it feel like it in there. I need to go get my moisturizer, because as soon as I wash out this side, I'm going to just do 2 granny plot in there. And then do the other side. But I'm not trying to, but I just do 2 granny plots. Try it as best as I can. So if I'm going to church, walking in the sun or whatever, dry it out a little bit. I'm going with my fingers. I'm gonna dry it as much as I can since I'm not blow drying it. I find me hair towel, so I'm just gonna use this. I'm gonna put the leave-in conditioner in with a bit of hair oil. This I done too. I post man, look at me over me something. Love this sweet little Indian hemp made with green tea leaves, yoyoba, aloe, and some safflower. I don't know what safflower is. So just gonna put a little bit in there, and then when it's dry or later, I'll just put the oil in the scalp because I'm gonna have to cane roll it so I can wear my headband wig. Anyways, so just using my fingers to part it. And then I have this detangling comb. Where is it? Detangling brush that I bought at the dollar store in Japan. That's what I miss about the dollar store. You can get good things in there, you know, for cheap. I'm sure one next something I did buy at the dollar store too. Very, very handy. There's some me shop furniture in my apartment. I will come there. There's a second-hand shop. Them use for furniture. My apartment in Japan. See it? Soft. Quite soft. So I get two doodoo, aka granny plot. No, I didn't call it doodoo plot. Prefer call it granny plot. Okay, finish the other side. I have a piece of story for tell you now. This looks so lean. Just realized I never tell you this a story here. Oh, I work at one place. I worked at a place in the heart of downtown for 1 week. I shortest me ever work no way. 1 week, you know? 1 week. May I explain why? Let me tell you. I took the job, but I didn't know that it was going to be so strenuous. My God. If you travel a morning time, whether you drive or you take public transportation, remember me tell you, rough. If you wake up, if you get to the place 7:30, if you leave out of my house 5 o'clock, you see, if I leave out of my house 5:10 or 5:05, me late. Because when I realize now, I start catch one man where go down there. We start catch one prominent driver. We go down there. So a man in time, I have to try and catch him. So you do it, you know, you have to build up a relationship and build a rapport with the driver then. Otherwise, you might have drivers who have them special people with them carry every morning and then know them have a long-term relationship with them. And so when you gonna wanna say town, them say sorry baby we're full. That time them wait for them special passengers. So the man they know, you go with him a morning time. I reach a town by 6:30. So you know says either you reach well early or you reach well late, you know. Why Papa me I tell you, it never nice. If you leave out your house by 5 o'clock, you know say I have to wake up by at least 4:30. Well, depending on how far you come from anyways. Man, 1 week I work at a place and quit. Well, never really quit. I did get something closer. So I end up stop working there and tell them thanks for the opportunity. Because the place wasn't at a place where I say they're going to make them the sacrifice. You can imagine I do that for much years. Taxing on the bad day, just traveling alone and then getting home now. You have to try and catch the bus. There's a JUTC express bus from downtown that runs express, so it goes through the toll and stuff like that and cut out the traffic, because no matter what time of day there's just traffic, man. Traffic. So if you don't catch the bus there, you're going to end up a stand up in a coaster bus and I pay more money to stand up and squeeze up, because they might bring 5 in a row. It's just, oh my, was just too much. What I enjoyed about working there is the fact that I could just walk through the market and buy my stuff, ground produce and things like that. Otherwise, never worth it, yeah, man. 1 week. No, sir. Alright. I'm in a history to work somewhere for 1 week. You know, so I find some great here, one a back, and I find mostly 2 up a top. I embrace my grays. I'm not afraid of my grays. I saw this quote recently that leading up to your 40s in life is just research, and then life begins at 40. I believe that. So I'm not afraid to embrace my oldness. It's such a word. About this at the 100 yen shop as well. It all know. But if buy this in a Jamaica here, you know what you're going to charge me? Say all a Gala Fontana pharmacy if you go take up one of them. Me right it. But if you get it all 1,000 odd. So that is when I love about them. Something there. 100 yen shop, dollar store. Yeah. Just put that, this, I'm not going to fix it right, you know. Just put this on and make it suck out the water and dry the ear a little bit more. And that's we. Alright, I'm going to do my face now. I'm going to put on my mask. And while my mask is there, it's not supposed to stay on. I'll show them my mask. I'll show them. So this is from The Ordinary. It's salicylic acid 2% mask formulated for blemish prone skin. Usually coming up to the time of the month, I use this. I don't remember which video I saw with it, so I use it to help with the blemishes that usually come at that time with the. I just apply it generously on dry skin and leave it for like no more than 10 minutes, and wash it off with warm water. Use once or twice a week. Thoroughly clean skin. Dry skin do not use on wet skin. Apply evenly across face using fingertips, avoiding the eye area. Leave on for no more than 10 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Right, so I don't use it once or twice a week because you're supposed to stay away from the sun whenever you use this. I guess it strips your face a bit. I saw some pimples coming out, so I make sure I'm gonna use it today. In the nights I use my vitamin C serum and under eye ointment. The under eye cream, I'll show you. My friend from Japan gave it to me when she went to Korea. You know, Korea has some of the best skincare products, so she gave that to me. So I'm not sure where to source it actually. More than likely it's online, but it's really nice because whenever I have dark spots under my eyes and I use it, it helps. So this is the under eye cream, Collagen X Total Eye Cream. As I said, it's a Korean product. I haven't tried to source it as yet because this one is not finished. This break off, I think, with traveling. I used to use this one, still tape up. I'm gonna travel with it. Revolution 5% caffeine targeted under eye serum, but because I like the cream, I'm using that more. And this is the vitamin C serum that I'm currently using. I also bought this at Daiso. If you know, you know. It's a 100 yen shop, $100 store, and it work. We did have one other one, I remember what name. That one they finish. So these are what I use in the night. You know, you're not supposed to be using vitamin C while you're in the sun. This is my moisturizing cream at the moment. I use this every morning. It are done, so I try get one more, and I love it. I used to use it at nights, but when I use it no more, because I want it done till me get the other one. And I use this in the daytime as well. It's very nice, water gel. There is another one. This other one, I just use it whenever I go to the beach or whatever, when my entire body is being exposed, because it does leave a white, what do you call it? Yeah, it white up your skin. So, but this one is really nice for the face and neck. I'm just throwing this in every now and again. I use this Fenty Skin Buff Rider. It's not one of my favorites because, you know, we love when time things stood up on our skin. Not so they just feel oily. But yeah. And every now and again I use this to massage my scalp. Massage the oil in. I got this at a thrift shop. Don't even remember how much I paid for it, but it was quite cheap. I'm gonna change the battery since, and I've had it for maybe a year or more. Oh, and this is a foot scrub I said I was gonna show you. It really smells like coconut, and it has the little thing them in it. So it's not bad. Bought it at one of the wholesales for cheap. I never know how much it, to be honest. Me I act rich. Just buy what I want and give them the money. And this is my mosquito repellent. So this is the one I use. I have a vape one, but I don't feel like it works. I feel like a water. May I spray it on my skin, so I prefer this. Smell bad, but it works. One of my favorites. It finished now. Just a little bit leaving at it. Fenty Butter Drop. It smells so good and makes you feel feminine, and you can see that there's a lot of shea butter and stuff in it. Nice. And this is my toner. I love it, especially when I don't feel like washing my face at night. I just use it to just, yeah, wipe off my face, which is oil. Throwing this one in. It's a face scrub that I got when I bought my Kojak soap. I haven't used it yet, but it's nice for exfoliation. Finally, lotion my skin with my good old Avon cocoa butter lotion. So while this is on, I'm going to start my dinner. I'm going to cook curry chicken foot and rice today. So of course I usually like to cook my dinner and it lasts for lunch, or maybe for a few days, depending on how much I eat or how much I cook. That's one way that you stay on a budget, okay? Cook your food at your yard. Find $500 in my shorts pockets. Rich people's things. In Jamaica, when people can't fancy because they find anything people put on their food. Alright, so it's all done. My curried chicken foot. I never go market, so I never really get to buy much things. So I put some mixed veg in there, coming on a carrot and Irish. Not even cucumber, I have for vegetables. So this is the vegetable I forgot to do for now. But yeah, so it's always best to go to your local market instead of the supermarket to get the value for your money. Even though, trust me, the market, them things, them dear. Alright, so it's ice cream time. Go shopping in our community, have ice cream. Let's see what them have. Sure. What is that?
Pistachio.
Me take it pistachio.
Yes, no, so I don't like it.
Why?
I don't like it again.
You never want me to take a pistachio?
Don't go no further, don't go no further. Just give me pistachio.
I like a pistachio, man. I like anything with nuts. I figure if I tell her, say a cone more. Anyways, I take the pistachio. Cash, you know, if me did know, I would have buy more.
You want some of yours?
No, that may I say if me did know because this next time.
That is for your work?
Yeah, sorry about that. You see, your Jamaican men stay very friendly. You know me now? Anyways, we've come to the end of the vlog. Or whatever this may be. Educational, entertainment video. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.